We got this 2013 Ford EcoBoost 3.5. The customer brought it in for some maintenance, but he also brought it in for concern as well. I was scanning it and it gave me a P025E, which is the turbocharger boost sensor. And I guess that reads the information from the boost if there's a leak or anything, or if the sensor went bad. They said a common problem is either it loses connection or it gets dirty. But I'll keep y'all posted as I go. I'm gonna check out the sensor and the wiring, and also check if we have any kind of boost leaks. And we're supposed to maintenance the transmission and the diff on this thing, on the front and the rear. But I'll keep you posted as we go. There we go, guys. I found a rattling sound. I thought it was the fans at first on this truck, but it seems to be the water pump. I'm gonna have to probably get inside with a tiny jet. I'm gonna take off the belt to confirm it. Found a noise, guys. That's the water pump. It's gonna need a new timing chain and everything. Look at that. It wobbles really bad. I don't know if you guys can see the play out of it. It's already dripping water out. At first I thought it was the electric fans, but man, that noise just got annoying. And I kept digging for it, and he didn't come in here for an overheating problem or anything like that. But man, that noise was getting to me, and ended up finding out is this right here. End up catching it in time, because if this would have failed, it would have just took the whole damn engine out. So he came in time. Like I said, he didn't come in with a major problem. His problem was that he had that boost sensor. I cleaned it. It seemed I cleared the code. It hasn't came back yet. So that, and I put some dielectrical grease on the connection and cleaned it up, and that seemed to fix the issue. But since I'm gonna do maintenance on this truck, I was going through it, and that noise